Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with you today how to make pom-poms, which you can use for that beautiful earring. These fine fluffy birds that I use for my key holder, but this white one I want to use them for my tinkerbell shoe that I'll be crocheting. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to see how I make this pom-pom and also how I make the tinkerbell shoe itself. Subscribe and don't forget to like this video. So let's go right ahead and see how to make. So I'm going to be using this white yarn here, is yaya yarn, and this my old body cream container. So I'll take off the cover since I won't be needing that, and I'm just going to wrap this yarn round the container, this cream bottle. I'm going to be wrapping the yarn like this round the container till I've been able to wrap it for 200 times. So you'll be counting while wrapping it round the container. You'll be counting. So when you've wrapped up to 200 times round the container, you're going to cut off your excess. I've wrapped 200 round, so you cut off your excess with your scissors. And next I'm going to also cut this length of yarn that I'll use to tie it down, and I'm going to double the yarn into two, and I'm going to gently pull that yarn that I wrapped on the cream container, gently pull it out of the container. See why I use this container? The other side is smaller, so it makes it easy for me to pull it out. So I'm going to hold it like this and tie it at the middle. Tie it firmly at the middle. I'm going to tie it like 2 to 3 times round, and I'll tie it very firmly so that you hold it very firmly. If not, you'll be having losing yarns. You won't have a perfect ball. You'll be having losing yarn. So you're going to tie it very firmly. So I'll tie it. After tying it firmly like this, I will knot it up to 3 times and make it very firm. Then I'll just see this hole right here. You're now having hole up and down. You're going to put the scissors right through the hole and cut through. Like, see what I'm doing now? You're going to cut through the hole, and you're also going to turn to the other side and do the same thing. You cut through also. So it's very simple. You won't even believe how simple this pom-pom is to make. When you see it looking very cute, you won't even know that it's very easy to make. It actually took me less than 10 minutes, guys, to make that too. So the only very serious work there is trimming it, because you have to trim it into the ball size you want and how fluffy you want it to be. If you want it more firm ball, you're going to trim it very close to where you tie it. You'll be feeling it. You'll feel somehow firm inside the ball. So you're going to trim it. You pick out all the single yarns and trim it into the ball you want. For the earring, I trimmed it really close, but for this one I want it more fluffy, so I won't trim it really close to the where I tie it inside. So I'm just going to trim all those yarns that are just popping out. I'll use my hand to be picking it out so that I'll be seeing the popping out yarns, and I'll trim all of them off into the perfect ball size and the ball that I want. So guys, I've already trimmed it so long. This is what I'm having. So I'm going to roll it in my hands and try to see if I have some losing out yarn like this one. Now I'll trim everything up. So there's so much of it. Pom-poms are actually very easy to make. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you like to see what I use this very pom-pom for and how I applied it, please guys click the notification button so that you'll be notified when I upload the video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye until next time.